Filing for divorce in Illinois? You're in the right place. In this complete guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about filing for divorce in Illinois, from requirements to forms to the actual filing process. By the end of this video, you'll understand Illinois divorce requirements and residency rules, all required forms and documents, the step-by-step filing process, costs and fees, timeline expectations, common mistakes to avoid. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the basic requirements for filing divorce in Illinois. Residency requirement. You or your spouse must have lived in Illinois for at least 90 days before filing. This is a hard requirement. If you haven't met it, you'll need to wait. Grounds for divorce. Illinois is a no-fault divorce state. This means you don't need to prove your spouse did something wrong. The most common ground is irreconcilable differences, which basically means the marriage has broken down and can't be fixed. You can also file based on irretrievable breakdown, similar to irreconcilable differences. Living apart for 6 months, if both agree. Living apart for 2 years, if one doesn't agree. Where to file? You file in the county where either you or your spouse lives. If you both live in different counties, you can choose either one, but typically you'd file where you live. What you need: basic information about you and your spouse, marriage date and location, information about children, if any, financial information for later forms. That's the basics. Now let's talk about the forms you'll need. Here are all the forms required for an Illinois divorce. Form 1. Petition for dissolution of marriage. This is the form that starts your divorce case. It includes your information and your spouse's information, grounds for divorce, what you're asking for, property division, support, etc. Information about children, if any. Form 2. Financial affidavit. This is a detailed financial disclosure. There are 2 versions. Short form, for simpler cases. Long form, for more complex finances. It includes income from all sources, monthly expenses, assets, property, bank accounts, retirement, etc. Debts and liabilities. Form 3. Parenting plan, if you have children. This covers custody and visitation schedule, holiday and vacation arrangements, decision-making authority, communication between parents. Form 4. Marital settlement agreement. This is your divorce agreement covering property division, debt division, spousal maintenance, if applicable, any other agreements. Other forms. Depending on your situation, you might also need summons to serve your spouse, appearance form, certificate of dissolution, final form. All of these forms are available from Illinois courts, but they can be confusing to fill out. That's where FreshStart IL comes in. We generate all of them automatically from simple questions. Now let's talk about the actual filing process. Here's the step-by-step process for filing your divorce in Illinois. Step 1. Complete all forms. Before filing, make sure all your forms are complete and accurate. Double-check. Names and addresses are correct. Dates are accurate. Financial information is complete. All required signatures are present. Step 2. Make copies. Make at least 3 copies of everything. 1 for the court, original, 1 for your spouse, 1 for your records. Step 3. File with the court. You have 2 options. Option A, e-filing. Most Illinois counties now accept e-filing through Illinois e-services. This is usually faster and more convenient. You'll need to create an e-services account, upload your forms as PDFs, pay filing fees online, get instant confirmation. Option B, paper filing. You can still file in person at the courthouse. Bring all completed forms, filing fee, cash, check, or money order, copies for service. Step 4, serve your spouse. After filing, you must serve your spouse with the divorce papers. Options: sheriff's office, usually 50/75. Private process server, certified mail, if spouse agrees. Step 5, wait for response. Your spouse has 30 days to respond. If they don't respond, you can proceed with a default judgment. Step 6, final steps. Complete financial disclosure. Finalize settlement agreement. Attend final hearing, if required. Get final judgment. FreshStart IL provides step-by-step guidance for each of these steps, including county-specific e-filing instructions. Let's talk about costs next. Here's what divorce costs in Illinois. Required fees. Court filing fee, $388, most counties. Service of process, $50.75. Parenting class, $50 if children, varies by county. Additional costs, mediation, $200 or $400 per session, if needed. Attorney, $1 to $550,000 plus if you hire one. Document preparation, $200 $500 if done by paralegal. With FreshStart IL, all forms included, $299 year, step-by-step guidance included, save thousands versus attorney fees. Fee waivers. If you can't afford the filing fee, you can apply for a fee waiver. The court will review your financial situation and may waive or reduce fees. Now let's talk about timelines. How long does divorce take in Illinois? Uncontested divorce, typically 2 to 4 months. This is when both spouses agree on everything. Forms are filed correctly, no court hearings needed, or minimal. Contested divorce, usually 6 to 18 months. This is when there are disagreements, court hearings are needed, mediation or trial is required. Factors that affect timeline. County processing times, some are faster. Court scheduling, complexity of assets, whether children are involved, how quickly you complete paperwork, how to speed it up, get forms right the first time, respond to court requests quickly, be organized with documents, consider mediation for disputes. FreshStart IL helps you complete forms correctly the first time, avoiding delays from rejections. Let's talk about common mistakes to avoid. Here are the most common mistakes people make when filing divorce in Illinois. Mistake 1. Incomplete forms leaving blanks or missing required information. Courts will reject incomplete forms. Mistake 2. Wrong county filing in the wrong county causes delays. Make sure you file where you or your spouse lives. Mistake 3. Missing deadlines. Missing response deadlines or court dates can delay your case or result in default judgments. Mistake 4. Incomplete financial disclosure. Not fully disclosing income, assets, or debts can cause problems later and may be considered fraud. Mistake 5. Not serving properly. Improper service can invalidate your case. Make sure service is done correctly. Mistake 6. Rushing. Taking time to be thorough is better than rushing and making mistakes. How FreshStart IL helps, guides you through every field, validates information before generating forms, provides checklists to ensure nothing is missed, county-specific requirements built in. Now let me show you how FreshStart IL can help. FreshStart IL makes the entire process easier. What we do, guide you through a simple questionnaire, generate all required Illinois forms automatically, provide county-specific e-filing instructions, include financial calculators, track your case progress. What you do, answer questions about your situation, review generated forms, file with the court, who it's for, uncontested divorces, people comfortable with paperwork, those wanting to save money, anyone wanting to understand the process, who might need an attorney, complex property division, disputed custody, safety concerns, high conflict situations. Start your free account at FreshStartIL.com. No credit card required. That's everything you need to know about filing for divorce in Illinois. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more Illinois divorce guides. Have questions? Leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer. Remember, FreshStart IL is not a law firm and does not provide legal advice. This information is for educational purposes only. Consult an attorney for advice on your specific situation. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your divorce process.